Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1006, and today's topic is purification efficiency by biological filter. This biological filter is widely used and it is the most effective technique or method of purifying the water, the waste material and industrial effluent. I have given two diagrams. One is two-stage, another one is sketch diagram, how this filtration takes place. And here some factors are very important for efficient biofiltration. First thing is BOD, that is biological oxygen demand in water, its pH, temperature and also the viscosity. So these factors, they play a very important role. Its concentration and also the tank and aeration, means it is aerobic in presence of air, and air is pumped inside where the bacteria is there, and that bacteria needs oxygen for multiplication and some other sludge, so that those bacteria, they are present and they are responsible of decomposing and destroying lot of organic effluents. And then with the help of settling tank, circulation tank, and finally it is purified. So the method is given here in the first diagram, that is biofilter with efficient circulation. So here effluent to purify, it will enter to this tank, first tank, and in this first tank it is called settling tank, and that is your primary tank, and it will go to here, and then after this it will come to this there is a pump, and this biofilter is here. So it will reach here, and here it is. After the biofilter, it will come to secondary settling tank. So this is the first tank. After that, it will, with the help of pump, it will come here, and then secondary settling, and here biofilter is there. And after that filtration, and then the purified water will come to this place after passing through the secondary settling tank. That is called biofilter with efficient circulation. Then second one is, that is two-stage unit of biofilter, that is purifying water, one stage and two stage. So in one stage here, waste water to purify, here it is aeration tank, it is there inside, and after that it will go to settling tank, that is based in settling tank, and then it is aero tank reactor, and it will go there, then again it will go to settling basin. From there it will be mixed with activated sludge, that is your second stage, and your first stage is here, that is activated sludge, that is your first stage. So it is going to mean first stage and then second stage, and then finally it is purified here, you will get the purified water. So these are all sketch diagram of two-stage unit of biofilter and biofilter with effluent circulation method. So here already it's given in these two diagrams. Number one, biofilters are of circular shape, having diameters of 6 to 30 meters, and corresponding capacities are from 1000 to 40,000 cubic meter per day of purified water. The purification efficiency of biofilter depends upon the following factors. Again, I am repeating, which is very important. The purification efficiency of biofilter depends upon the following factors, and these factors are: first, BOD, that is biological oxygen demand, and that is load in milligram per dm cube. Number 2, packing height and packing element size. Number 3, the speed of water stream. Number 4, uniform distribution of effluents over filter. Number 5, temperature of effluent. And number 6 is, that is, intensity of aeration. So these factors are very important. So here number 2, the residual BOD, that is biological oxygen demand, after biofilters is usually 10 to 25 milligram per dm cube for initial BOD values of 150 to 1500 gram per m cube prior to purification. The intensity of biofilter operation is about 10 m cube per day per m cube, while the unit load of BOD is 2200 to 2500 milligram per dm cube filter packing. In the diagram of biofilter, what I have already given, that is 2 unit and circulatory system. Biofilter unit with changeable directions of circulation of the waste water. It is shown there that how the in tanks the water is circulating, which as seen in the diagram, the circulation is very important to wash the use of film. Number 2, biofilters belong to the reactors. That is very important to understand that biofilters, they belong to reactors, and where a lot of mixture, a lot of reaction, bacteria, all are present. Reactors difficult to control and are most often employed as an auxiliary purification stage in combination with other biological facilities such as oxidation ponds and aeration tanks. Most convenient in operation, more easily controlled operations for biological cleanup are aeration tanks. These aeration tanks for biological cleaning purpose is the most important one, which are high capacity reactors, and these aeration tanks, they belong to high capacity aeration reactors for biological purification of effluents. Their intensity and oxidation capacity, the amount of oxygen that can be transferred into a dry 1 cubic meter of biofilm or activated sludge. The aeration system supply the reaction mixture with air and also keep the activated sludge in suspended form. The biological or biochemical oxidation in the aeration tank is caused by activated sludge, by aerobic bacteria collected into flakes, which are formed when the bacteria culture is mixed with wastewater. Aeration tanks with pneumatic mechanical ejection system of aeration and agitation are generally used. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.